Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve InfyTQ practice coding problem number 5. So here is our problem. The problem name is string rotation. We have been given with an input of string where the string elements are separated by comma and each string element is separated by colon where each string element will have a value associated with it. So we need to split the entire string based on comma first and then we have to split based on this column for each element, so that we can get the string out of it and value out of that. Okay, and then let's see the problem. Here every string is associated with the number separated by colon. So each string is having a number associated with it and it is separated by colon. If sum of squares of digits is even, then rotate the string by 1. Suppose if the sum of squares of these digits is even, then we are going to rotate the string by 1. If square of digits is odd, then rotate the string left by 2 positions. So whenever the square of sum of squares of digits is even, then we are going to rotate the string by 1. And if it is odd, then we are going to rotate the string left by 2 positions. So here is our sum of squares, right? So 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 6 into 6 is equals to 56. So it is even, right? So we are going to shift the string right by 1. So which is even. So rotate RH dt by one bit. So we can get TRHD. So RHD will be present here and T is rotated here. Okay. Next 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 6 into 6 is equals to 57, right? So which is odd. So we need to shift the string left by 2. So GH will come at the back. Okay. FTD GH is the result. Let's see the pseudocode. So here is our pseudocode. We have implemented a rotate function. Before going to that explanation, we are going to see how we are taking the input, right? So based on comma, we are separating the input string first and then we are iterating through each and every string, each and every word of the input and splitting that each word, okay, each word into string and number separately, and we are converting that number into integer and we are passing that two values, string and number, to the rotate function. So what is this rotate function is doing is it should find out the sum, okay, find out the sum of squares using while or for, and then if the sum is even, print right shifted string with 1 shift, or else if it is even, if the sum is odd, then print the left shifted string with 2 shifts. That's it. We are done with pseudocode. So let's see first Python code and then Java code. So here is our Python code. So whatever that we have implemented in pseudocode, that is same as the Python code is similar to that. So we are using a split function here to split the entire string into words, and each word is converted to a string and number based on split, and again based on colon we are splitting that. Num is converted to integer first and then we are passing both the string and number to rotate function. So sum is equal to 0, right? Initializing sum as 0 and while num greater than 0. So this while loop will determine take each digit from the number and find out the square of that number and add to the sum. So finally we'll get a number, we'll get sum, right? So if that sum is percentage by 2 is equals to 0, then we are going to print the string which is right shifted, okay, which is right shifted by 1 bit. So this is the structure, this is how we are indexing string, so that we'll get a one right shifted string, okay. And next string 2 is 2 colon. If the sum is odd, then we are going to print the left shifted 2 bits left shifted string. Let's see the output. Let's copy paste the input. Here is our input, right? Just copy it and paste it here. So TRHZ, is this the output that we required? Yes, TRHZ is the output, and FTDGH. So this is the output required. So let's see Java code. We have scanner object and we are creating an array of string and we are splitting that based on comma, and then for each word we are converting we are taking that each word and splitting based on value and string. We are converting that number to integer, and then we are passing to rotate function. We are passing that both the values to rotate function. One is string and another one is number, right? This function will find out whether the sum is even or odd and then print the respective strings. So while loop is used to find out the each digit and find out the squares of the each digit and create a sum. Add the sum, and we will check whether the sum is even or odd. Based on that, we will print the string. Okay. Based on that, we will rotate the string by 1 bit right or 2 bits left. Okay, whatever it is. So that's it. Let's see the execution process of this code. Control F5, paste the input. So that is the required output, right? If you have any doubts, comment down in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.